we have a thumbs up, green light. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alrighty, and we're in a qualification match number 60 over the red lines. Immediately, lots of notes going over into the speaker by 4678 and 865. Over the blue lines, looks like 2200 is lining up, scoring a few notes in their auto as well. Into the speaker, 3756, their alliance partners leaving their alliance. Into the teleoperated period, immediately 4678 from the red lines races into the midline, grabbing a note, passing it over to the alliance partners, 865. Lots of notes over in the red alliance area for 865 to score. Over the blue lines, 2200 racing back to their alliance, lining up with a note in their intake. Looks like they're scoring that in the amp, racing back and grabbing another one. Looks like blue lines might be planning to amplify their speaker soon. Over the red lines, the speaker has been already amplified, making each note scored in those 10 seconds being amplified 5 points instead of 2 points. Over on the red lines, 865 and 4678 both lining up to score a few more notes in that amp. 1305 passing a note over to the alliance partners in red, it looks like. 772 and 2200 both scoring some notes over into the blue alliance. 2200 and 772 racing back over to the source zone to grab a few more to bring back. 865 scoring a note into the speaker as the red line speaker becomes amplified once again. Red Line's robots racing over to see how many notes they can score within those 10 seconds. Blue Line's speaker has also been amplified. 2200 racing back over, hoping they get that before the time's out, and they might have just got that. 1305 with a note in their intake. Looks like they're racing across the field, passing it over to their alliance partners. 772 from the blue lines over in the blue lines to source zone, grabbing a note and then racing back over to the blue alliance. Passing it over to 2200, their alliance partners to score a few more notes in that amp for the blue alliance. 4678 from the red alliance lines up at the speaker for the red alliance. They shoot, they score. Racing back out to grab a few more notes. 865 and 1305 both try to score a note into the red alliance speaker. Sadly, they miss. 865 tries again, and they're able to get it the second try. 13 seconds left in the match. Looks like 4678 has trapped over on the red alliance, as well as climbing onto their stage. 3 robots climbed on the red alliance. Looks like 1 on the blue alliance, along with another trap on the blue alliance. 1 second left, and that is time. A very close match with unofficial scores of 64 for the red alliance and 65 for the blue alliance. This match could go either way, but we'll have to wait for those official scores in just a moment. The scores are in. Let's take a look. Match goes to the red alliance with a score of 78 to 77. Extremely close. The red alliance is walking away with all 4 ranking points. 2 for winning that match, 1 for Melody, and 1 for Ensemble, moving up their alliance partners up through the rankings with the highest ranked team, 4678. The blue alliance isn't walking away with nothing. They were able to get both the Melody and the Ensemble ranking points, bringing